Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to rename photos in iPhone. First of all, you can open the iPhone photos section. After opening the photos, you can just simply select the photo. I can select this photo. After selecting the photo, you can see the share option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can just simply scroll down here, and here you can see the option that is save to files. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply tap on the image 1934 option, and you can remove this one, and you can just simply rename the picture. And after rename this, you can now tap on save at the top right corner of the screen, and you can just simply go to the files, and you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see my recently saved photos is renamed, and it is the way you can rename photos in iPhone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.